Hello, I'm Yssabug, and today I did this makeup look. If you would like to know how to create this look, keep on watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on notifications for whenever I upload. I'm taking glucose. I'm going to blend it out to help blend out the purple later. Using a real technique, shading brush. I'm going to use Coma and Extraction from the Blood Sugar palette by Jeffree Star. I'm kind of starting out with just this kind of shape against the waterline and buffed out right here. Then using the Huda Beauty Amethyst Obsessions palette, and I'm going to deepen this up. Back into glucose, and I'm going to start trying to blend that out. Using that Real Technique shading brush again, I'm going into Root Canal. That glucose shade. Using Coma and Extraction, I'm going to go under my waterline. Then that dark shade in the Huda palette. Now going with Tongue Pop. I'm going in with the middle shade in the Huda palette. This is one of my favorite shimmer shades because it has blue in it and purple and using that white shade 35F palette. Using that Mile High Club. This is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for the next time I upload. Like my Facebook page. Follow me on Instagram. Have an idea you want me to create, just drop in the comments below.